Hey kids, how you doing? Today, we're going to be talking about another math tool called tape diagrams. Now, a tape diagram is a tape, like this, a tape. And a tape diagram is kind of like a number bond, because a tape diagram is a way to represent the parts of numbers when you're solving problems. So for example, here's a problem. Let me read it to you and show it to you. It says, Darnell is playing with his 4 red robots. Ben joins him with 13 blue robots. How many robots do they have all together? All right, so Darnell's got 4 robots that are red, and Ben has 13 blue robots. These are like imaginary kids. All right. Darnell has 4 red robots and Ben has 13. All right. So a tape diagram is kind of like a number bond. Here's 4 red robots, and then I can draw, I can represent 4. And then here's Ben's 13 blue robots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so there's my tape diagram, because the parts in this problem are 4 and 13. And then on top of the tape diagram, I put the total, which is kind of like a number bond again, right? So 13 plus 4, I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to go 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I counted on. So it's 17. And in today's math problems, you have to read the word problem, draw a tape diagram, write a number sentence. 4 plus 13 equals 17. You have to write a number sentence, and then you have to write a statement that matches the story. So here's the statement. They have 17 robots. So again, today, what you're doing is you're doing a tape diagram, which is kind of like a number bond. You're doing a number sentence, and then you're writing a statement or an answer that is a complete sentence. All right, let's do another one. Okay, so here's the next problem. The next problem is Rose and Emmy had a jump rope contest. Rose jumped 14 times and Emmy jumped 6 times. How many times did Rose and Emmy jump? All right, so let me just read this again, because sometimes when I'm solving a math problem, I read it more than once. Rose and Emmy had a jump rope contest. Rose jumped 14 times. Emmy jumped 6 times. How many times did Rose and Emmy jump? All right, Rose jumped 14 and Emmy jumped 6. All right, so let me do my tape diagram. Rose jumped 14 times. That's a lot, 14. So I'm going to make more space for the 14. And Emmy jumped 6. All right. So now I got 14 and 6. If I wanted to, I could draw the dots to represent the 14, and I could draw the dots to represent the 6, but you don't have to. And then at the top of the tape diagram, how many times did they jump all together? Well, 14 plus 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay, now I got to do a number sentence. 14 plus 6 equals 20. And now I got to do a statement. The statement is they jumped 20 times. So today, when you're solving some math problems, you're going to use the tape diagram tool or way of representing. You're going to write a number sentence. That's the second thing. And the third thing is to write a statement. So that's what you're doing today. All right. Miss you. Love you. Hope you're doing well. Be well.